Alright, so we're going to be making a simple Web 2.0 Illustrator logo. So first you're going to name this Web 2.0 logo. Start off with 600 points and 400 points. Okay. It really doesn't matter, but this is basic. So first get your text together. Clicking once, I'm going to be using Century Gothic. So type up some random company name. Latitude. Okay. So drag it out to enough where you can see it, and I'm going to make this bold. Alright. So we have our text. Now we're going to take the circle, hold shift to keep the ratio. Alright. Now click, hold alternate, and drag it over here to make 2. I'm going to change the color, so click once and click this twice. And pick your color. I'm going to be using red. Now click the red circle, or burgundy, crimson, and drag it over the black circle to create like a half moon right there. Alright, good, that's good. So select both circles, go to window, go to Pathfinder. Good there. And we're going to select the second icon, subtract from shape area. So hold alternate and click. And there's your crescent. So put that right there. Alright, now we have our basic logo. Now we're going to add the Web 2.0 effects. So select your text, go to object, go to expand, so you can fill it with the effects. Now press Ctrl Shift G to ungroup it. So now it's ungrouped. Now we're gonna make this a gradient. So select all of the latitude text, or whatever text you're using. Press alternate and click the first icon on shape mode under Pathfinder to make it all one shape. So it's all one shape now. Alright, we're gonna click the text again. Click the gradient tab over here. Go to put on the menu, go to show options. Now let's go with darker red and drag it over here. Okay. And now we're gonna go with we can pull this red over here for now and just change the color. So click this twice. I'm sorry. Just click this and then go over here and pick your color. Alright, so we'll make this a little lighter. Okay, that's good. Now select the text again, change the angle to 90 to create a horizontal effect. Alright, now we're gonna apply effect to the crescent moon. So select a gray swatch, K equals 40, that one. And we apply this to a gradient as well, so drag the swatch over here while the moon is selected. And click it again, drag a darker gray over here. We can drag more gray, a little light right here in the middle. Okay. So this is good for right now. Now we're gonna press Ctrl A to select all, or you can go to Edit. Well, Ctrl A to select everything. I'm gonna press Ctrl G to group it. Okay, it's grouped, so everything's selected together. Now select everything again. Hold Alt again, or alternate, and drag it down while holding shift to keep the ratio again. So now you have 2. Now I'm going to select this right click, go to transform, go to reflect, hit preview to know where you're reflecting, and go to horizontal with the angle being 0. Okay, deselect. Now click the reflected text, hold shift and drag up about right here. This is good. Now hold the ellipse tool until options form and go to the rectangle tool. Now take the rectangle tool, draw over the reflected text so it's covered. Now we're going to apply a gradient to the square. So we're going to use a basic gradient over here, white to black. Change the angle to 90. Okay. No, negative 90, so minus 90. And then select the rectangle and the text together. So you just draw it over the text and the rectangle. Now we're gonna select the transparency tab, put on the options pane, and go to make a opacity mask. Okay, there you go. Now we're gonna change the opacity to about 35. I'm using 35. You can play around with it to whatever you want. Okay. It's about good right here. Now you have your simple Web 2.0 logo. Alright, thank you. Oh, also you can there's a donation link down in the details for the YouTube video. So if you want to donate, I really appreciate it. Saving up for a new laptop. Thank you.